Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you guys how I did my YouTube intro. Recently, I've been getting requests, comments that I should make a video on how I did my intro. So by the end of this video, you should know how to make an intro for yourself. But before we start, I want to appreciate everyone, thank everyone who has been supporting me. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I promise to make more videos that are good and beneficial to you. So let's get started. So in order to make a YouTube intro, you have two options. Either you make it yourself or you make it with a website. I did mine with a website. So I'm going to type Flixpress. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google and then just type flixpress.com, or you can just click on the link in my description box and to take you straight to the website. Alright, for you. So the next thing you want to do now is click on register. Alright, then click on sign up with your Google account. Alright, so you want to scroll down. Okay. Alright. So these are all intro. Right. But the one I use for myself is this one. An interesting thing about this intro is also, okay, so that's the intro I used for myself. Then we want to click on customize now. Alright, so very easy, just select the color you want. Let me say red. Right, okay, and click on YouTube intro and tutorial. Okay, and I will click on add audio. Alright, so the next thing to do is just select the audio you want. Just click on listen and just check the one you want. But I will go for this one. Okay, I will click on choose. So that's it. So the next thing you want to do now is click on submit order, then click on yes order. Okay, then just click on view my orders, and please, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to see more videos and get notified every time I post a new video. So you have to wait for it. Okay, so then click for preview. It's going to play. Sorry about that. Okay. So that's just it. So what you do is that you download it. So that's it. So then you just click on download and share, but I'm not downloading it because I already have it. So you just click on download and then that's it. Then you have it on your phone or your computer, and then you can just use it for YouTube. Alright, I hope this was helpful and educating. If you have any question, you can just comment. I promise I will reply. Alright, see you guys on the next video.